Hello and welcome to a brand new episode on our YouTube channel, English with Altaf. I'm Ikra.
And I'm Altaf. In this video, we are going to learn how to activate your English brain power daily.
Yes, we'll share simple and practical tips to help you think faster, speak better, and feel more confident in English every day.
So stay with us till the end. Let's begin.
Altaf. Many people say they understand English but can't speak fluently. Why does this happen?
That's a great question, Ikra. This usually happens because people don't train their brain to think in English. Just like muscles need exercise, your brain needs practice too.
Exactly. If we want to improve, we have to use English daily, not just learn it from books. The brain has to feel comfortable with English.
Right. So, let's look at the first way to activate your English brain power daily. Think in English.
Yes, this is one of the most important habits. Start by thinking simple things in English. For example, I am brushing my teeth, I am going to the market, or this tea is hot.
You don't need to say it out loud. Just think in English while doing your daily activities. This builds a strong connection between your brain and the English language.
I agree. This small habit will slowly make your mind more active in English. At first, it may feel strange, but you will get used to it.
Let's move to the second tip. Read a little every day.
Yes, reading is powerful. It doesn't have to be difficult books. Start with short stories, English news, or simple articles.
When you read, your brain gets used to English sentence structure and vocabulary. Even reading just 10 minutes a day can help.
Also, try to read out loud sometimes. This helps your brain connect reading and speaking.
That's a great point. Now let's talk about the third way. Use English in daily conversation.
If you don't have anyone to talk to yourself. It may feel silly at first, but it's effective.
Yes, I often suggest that. Stand in front of a mirror and have a small conversation with yourself. Say things like, "How are you? I am fine. Today I will go for a walk."
It's a great way to practice speaking and build your brain power. Your confidence will increase.
The fourth tip is listen to English every day.
This is very important. Our brain learns a lot through listening. Try to listen to English podcasts, YouTube videos, or songs.
Even if you don't understand every word, keep listening. Your brain will start to recognize patterns and words.
You can also turn on subtitles to help you understand better. Slowly, you will notice improvement.
Yes, listening helps improve pronunciation and understanding. Now let's talk about the fifth tip. Write something in English daily.
Writing helps your brain organize thoughts in English. You can write a short diary, a message, or a few sentences about your day.
For example, write, "Today I woke up at 7 a.m. I had breakfast. I watched a movie." Even simple sentences are useful.
You can also write down new words you learn and try to use them in sentences.
Great idea. This helps build your vocabulary and strengthens memory.
The next tip is play with English.
Yes, learning should be fun. Play word games, solve crosswords, or use mobile apps that help with English learning.
Games like word search or matching games make your brain active in a fun way. You are learning without feeling bored.
When the brain is relaxed, it learns faster. That's why fun learning is effective.
Let's move to another powerful tip. Set small English goals.
For example, decide that today you will learn 5 new words, or today you will listen to English for 15 minutes.
These small goals help keep your mind focused and give a sense of achievement.
Yes, and when your brain sees progress, it stays motivated.
Another tip. Repeat and review regularly.
The brain forgets easily if we don't review, so keep going back to words or topics you've learned before.
You can review by watching old videos, reading notes, or repeating words out loud.
Repetition makes your brain stronger in English. It becomes part of your memory.
Let's also talk about the importance of confidence.
Yes, many people know English but are afraid to speak. You have to believe that you can do it.
Mistakes are part of learning. Even native speakers make mistakes. Don't be afraid to try.
That's right. Confidence activates your brain. When you are confident, your brain focuses better.
So, practice, make mistakes, and learn from them.
Now let's share a daily plan to activate English brain power.
Yes, here's a simple daily routine.
In the morning, think of your plans in English. Read something simple for 10 minutes. Listen to English audio while doing housework or traveling. Write 3-4 sentences about your day. Speak to yourself in English before bed.
This whole routine may take only 30 to 45 minutes, but it's very powerful for the brain.
The key is to be regular. Even if you do a little every day, your brain will become faster and smarter in English.
Yes, and remember, don't worry about being perfect. Focus on progress.
Slow progress is better than no progress. Keep going.
Altaf, can you tell us why brainpower in English is important?
Sure. When your brain is active in English, you speak faster, understand better, and respond with more confidence.
You also feel less nervous when talking to others. That's the power of brain training.
Your goal should be to make English a part of your daily thinking.
Just like you don't think twice while speaking your native language, one day you will feel the same about English.
It's possible with practice and the right mindset.
Let's now quickly repeat what we've learned in this video.
We learned how to activate your English brain power daily with these simple steps.
Think in English. Read daily. Speak to yourself. Listen regularly. Write something each day. Play English games. Set small goals. Review and repeat. Be confident. Follow a simple daily routine.
These steps are easy, practical, and powerful. Anyone can do them at home.
We hope you found this video helpful. If you follow these tips, your brain will become more active and confident in English.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel, English with Altaf.
We'll see you in the next video. Until then, keep practicing and keep improving.
Take care and stay confident in your English journey.